In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Lucidchart. Whether you're looking to make your diagrams pop or simply seeking to customize your work, this guide will take you through all the steps you need to know. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Lucidchart's official website, which is part of the world's first work acceleration platform. If you're not already logged in, now is the time to do so. Find the Login button prominently displayed on the page and give it a click. You'll be presented with several options for logging in. For convenience, let's select the Sign Up with Google option. Remember, this step assumes you have a Google account linked to your Lucidchart profile. Once you click that button, a new window or tab will open, allowing you to select the Google account you wish to use. Click on your desired account to proceed. With your account selected, you're now in. So let's move on and locate your project. Navigate over to your list of projects and click on the title of the project you wish to edit. Once you've selected your project, it's just one more click to open it. Find that Open button and give it a go. This will bring up your current diagram or document. Now that you have your project open, it's time to make that color change. Look towards the top of your screen and identify the File option. Click there and a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, you're going to choose Document Settings. This will typically be under a Settings section of the menu. In the document settings, keep an eye out for the section titled Background Color. Here you'll see a circle that displays your current background color. Click on this circle and a color palette will pop up. You'll have a wide variety of colors available to select from. Simply click on the color you want for your background. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, consider exploring various hues and saturations until you find one that complements your project perfectly. And just like that, you've successfully changed the background color of your Lucidchart project. Remember, this change is not set in stone. You can always return and follow these steps again if you decide a different color suits your needs better later on. So, there you have it. Changing the background color in Lucidchart is a simple and effective way to enhance your visual presentations. By customizing your background, you're adding a layer of professionalism and personalization that can really make your diagrams stand out. Thank you for watching and happy designing.